The ranking table, rank tracker section is useful to check every week. I basically set up the keywords and competitors for yourself, which are very important, like chauffeur service near me, chauffeur service Winchester, and so forth. I also input some of the direct competitors that I saw showing up for those keywords um, in this competitors tag. Um, so every week, you could be going in and seeing the average Google position for those keywords, the keyword position movements. Um, so this is the movement of all the keywords up and down, and this is a local pack, which is the Google Maps position. Um, and then at any time, you can also see the keywords positions as a chart or as a table. So these are the keywords that are in position 6 to 10. If you had a keyword in position 1, it would show green, but we're not there yet. And you can also look at it as a table form. Keyword number of keywords in position 6 to 10, 11 to 20, and so forth. This is the actual ranking table. There's a bit of an anomaly about these figures for desktop and local pack at the moment. Hopefully that will sort itself out. But what I'll keep track of is this local finder position. So you can see, for instance, chauffeur service Winchester, which has a search of 10 volume per month. You're number 6, and you moved up 2 positions. Um, so that'll be quite an important keyword for you to monitor. And other keywords are just chauffeur service, which in Winchester you're 11th. So it should, in due course, move up to the first page, which is the top 10. And that has a search volume of 30 people per month. Yeah, you're also ranking for rating car hire Winchester, position 17, and the plus means that it's a new keyword, which is just entered the BrightLocal Rank Tracker. You can also see where you are with your benchmarking your competitors for the same keywords. So uh, that's yourself. I would look at the local pack more than this desktop view, but this is where TMR chauffeurs are compared to yourself, and RS Executive Airport Travel, both in Winchester. So it's a very interesting report to keep an eye on every week. And if you want to add in more keywords or competitors, you just go into Edit Report and you add them here.